Have you ever noticed a tall stalk suddenly shooting up from your lettuce or spinach? That's called bolting, and it's something every gardener encounters. Bolting is when cool weather crops like lettuce and spinach stop making leaves and start producing flowers and seeds. It's their way of ensuring the next generation. The main trigger is heat. When temperatures rise, plants rush to reproduce before it's too late. You'll see a thick flower stalk, leaves changing shape, and the plant stretching taller. Bolting happens to everyone. Instead of seeing it as a failure, use it to learn about your plants and their natural cycles. By understanding bolting, you can make better choices and appreciate your garden's full journey. Spotted a flower stalk shooting up from your lettuce? Don't panic. This is called bolting, and it's common as the weather warms up. There's still plenty you can do. Take a deep breath. Instead of pulling the plant, grab sharp scissors and snip the flower stalk at its base. This helps the plant focus on its leaves, giving you a bit more time to harvest before they turn bitter. Check the leaves. If they're green and healthy, they're still good to eat. Even if they're a bit bitter, try cooking them to mellow the flavor. With a little care and pruning, you can still enjoy fresh greens from your garden. Now do a taste test. Pick a leaf, rinse, and try it. If it's sweet and crisp, keep harvesting for salads and wraps. If it's a bit bitter, use the leaves in cooked dishes like stir-fries or soups. Cooking reduces bitterness, so don't waste those leaves. If the bitterness is overwhelming, the plant's too far gone for eating. That's okay. Don't force it. The plant still has value in your garden. Every stage of growth offers something useful. Decide how to use your plant based on taste, not just appearance. If your lettuce leaves have turned bitter, don't toss them away. What looks like a setback is actually a hidden treasure for your garden. When lettuce bolts and leaves become tough, it's just moving to its next stage, one that can benefit your soil and future harvests. Try the chop and drop method. Pull up the bolted plant, chop it, and lay it on your garden bed as mulch. This feeds the soil, retains moisture, and encourages healthy soil life. Or add those bitter leaves to your compost pile. Lettuce is a nitrogen-rich green that helps create nutrient-rich compost for your garden. You can also let a few plants go to seed and collect them for next year, saving money and building a resilient garden. So next time you see a plant bolt, see it as an opportunity to nurture your garden's cycle of growth and renewal. Want to prevent bolting? Use shade cloth to keep plants cool during hot spells. Try succession planting. Sow new seeds every 2 weeks for a steady supply of young greens. Choose bolt-resistant varieties for longer harvests. No plant is bolt-proof, but some handle heat better. Every season teaches you something new. Bolting is feedback, not failure. Adjust your timing, shade, or varieties next year. Gardening is about learning and adapting. Stay inspired, and your garden will thrive.